how to sign up for an Uber account. So if you want to quickly go ahead and sign up for an Uber account, what you're going to do is you're going to come to your browser and go to uber.com. Now, once you're over here, you're going to click on sign up. And you could obviously sign up to drive and deliver or create a rider account. Whatever you want to go with, that depends on you. So let's say you want to sign up to drive and deliver. Here, what you're going to do is you can continue with any ID that you want to go with. Let's say I'm going to continue with my Apple ID. Okay, so once you go with all these things, you're just going to wait for it to help you sign in. And once you've properly signed in with all these things, you're pretty much good to go. It's going to lead you in to all the steps and processes. You're going to want to finish the onboarding. If they're asking anything, just go ahead and add all the details. And once all of this is done, you're pretty much set to go. So that is how you can sign up with Uber. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.